Hey, so first of all, we are definitely going to hit this right upper corner, the three dots. And first of all, I can recommend you to turn on the motion photos. So now when I'm gonna take any photo and go into the gallery, I can actually find what happened before taking this video. So there's like short GIF. So the motion photo is really useful and I can recommend you to turn it on. Next, let's go back into this corner and go to the more settings. Definitely let's turn off the shutter sound and the mirror front camera effect. Like most people don't need this stuff. Now from this I would like to get the tap to take the photo. So I don't need to click on the screen and adjust the brightness and the focus. I can just do this once and the phone is going to take the photo. So as I don't need to do this and then tapping here, I can just take the photos by simply clicking on the object that I want to take, and it will be automatically taken with the best parameters. Next, when you go right here, we can also enable this series of the photos instead of recording video on this shutter. So now, as you can see, we can quickly take 20 photos. From this, also, let's move into the video mode where we can enable the 4K quality. So now when you are going to record the videos and you want to get the best quality, the 4K is actually recommended. But if you are outside and for example you are running or walking, it will be better if you actually enable the Full HD 30 frames per second and get this grid mode. It's actually the not grid mode, action mode. So this is actually the additional stabilization into your videos. From this also, if you want to take photos with the more details, I will recommend you to get the 50 megapixel mode instead of the 12. With this we will actually get the HD resolution. So now let's move on. And from this you can also adjust the time-lapse speed and the time-lapse quality between Full HD, 4K, and you can change the time-lapse speed. And yeah, that's all the options that I can recommend you to turn on or turn off on the Nothing Phone 2a camera. Right now, please subscribe.